All right, hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be taking a look at the Vibe Beam wireless earbuds by JBL. These earbuds feature the signature JBL equalizer, custom touch control, plus audio to video modes. So let's go ahead and open up the box so we can see exactly what they look like. All right, so what we have here is the USB charging cable, and this comes in orange. It also has the JBL logo right here on the end of the USB. Then we have some additional tips for the earbuds. So that way, if they don't fit comfortably in your ear, you have some that is larger and some that is smaller. So I think that's really cool for them to include that inside of the packaging. Then we have the instruction manual as well, so that way you can learn how these function. Then you have the earbuds inside of the charging case. Charging case is not very big. It does feel high quality. It has a matte black finish with the JBL logo right here on the front. On the inside, we have the JBL earbuds, and then there's also a LED indicator right here letting you know the charge status of the earbuds. All right, so these come in a matte black with a gloss finish over the front of them with the JBL logo as well. Then they also have a LED indicator letting you know the connectivity and the charge of the earbuds. You also have a stamp right here letting you know which ear that the earbud goes in. This one is the left one and this one is the right one. Now again, you do have interchangeable tips for these depending on the size of your ear, so that way they fit very comfortably in your ear. They're really comfortable, they're lightweight, and they feel like they're pretty snug in there and they're not gonna fall out. So if you're into fitness and maybe you like to wear these to the gym, it won't come out your ear while you're exercising or running. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and connect this to my mobile device. And soon as I opened up my mobile device, the JBL earbuds popped up asking me, do I wanna connect? So it's really easy for you to get these connected to your device. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on connect. And when I click on connect, it is downloading a application for the JBL wireless earbuds. That's gonna take me to the Google Play Store so I can go ahead and download the app. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Okay, now it's installed. I'm gonna allow this to connect to the app. And as you see, it recognized the earbuds, and then there you go. So you have a couple different options. When you have the mobile app installed on your device, they have a talk through mode, which allows you to hear more ambient sound while you have the headphones on. So in case you're out walking at nighttime and you have music playing, you wanna hear more of your surroundings, this option will be perfect for you. You can also adjust the EQ directly from your mobile device. So I can turn on the equalizer, I can change between vocal, between bass, between extreme bass, letting me adjust the way that these sound that will fit perfectly for the way I like to hear my audio. So I'll go ahead and play some music just so I can get a feel for them. So I'm just gonna flick through some of the presets that they have on here so I can get a feel of the different options that I have. All right, so all four options sound pretty good. Now, if I want to customize the EQ, I have that option as well. I can simply go ahead and drag the EQ to fit any way that I want to hear the music. So that is a really cool option. I do like that feature. You can also go ahead and save your EQ settings as a preset. Then you also have custom touch control just by touching on the side of the earbuds. This will allow you to stop the music or move to the next track. All right, so there you go, the Vibe Beam wireless earbuds by JBL. Hopefully this video helped you out, and I will see you in the next one.